फोक्स, बिजनेस पढ़ रहे हैं तो ये वाली वीडियो देखना बिल्कुल मत भूलें। आज हम बिजनेस 12th का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एक बहुत ही फन वे में iPrep की एनिमेशन यूज करके ला रहे हैं और बिना तुम्हारा टाइम वेस्ट करे मैं तुम्हें सीधा ले चलती हूं वहीं पर।
Levels of management. Levels of management can be better understood in the given example. Rakhi and Smita are both managers of an enterprise. Rakhi is the CEO of HCL and Smita is a branch manager at FabMart. They both serve in different hierarchy of HCL. Levels of management. For better understanding, the term management can be divided into 3 levels: lower, middle, and top levels. Top-level management. They consist of the senior-most executives of the organization by whatever name they are called. They are usually referred to as the chairman, the chief executive officer, chief operating officer, president, and vice president. The top-level management is responsible for the planning of activities. They plan things accordingly and communicate the same to the middle-level management. Middle-level management. Middle-level management is the link between top and lower-level managers. They are subordinate to top managers and superior to the first-line managers. They are usually known as division heads. They are mainly focused on the formulation of business objectives, policy formulation, and assigning the necessary duties to the line managers. Supervisory or operational management. Foremen and supervisors comprise the lower level in the hierarchy of the organization. Supervisors directly oversee the efforts of the workforce. Their authority and responsibility is limited according to the plans drawn by the top management. Supervisory management plays a very important role in the organization since they interact with the actual workforce and pass on instructions of the middle management to the workers.
कमाल हो गया। जिस बिजनेस की किताब को पढ़ते हुए नींद आती है उसी बिजनेस का फंडा बिना किताब पढ़े एनिमेटेड वीडियोस के थ्रू 2-3 मिनट में समझ में आ गया। यही तो फायदा है iPrep की एनिमेशन वीडियोस का। तो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? नीचे जो लिंक दे रखा है iPrep सुपर ऐप के डाउनलोड का, उसे यूटिलाइज करो। वहां जाके एनिमेटेड वीडियोस तो मिलेंगी ही, डिटेल्ड वीडियोस भी मिलेंगी और भी जो उस ऐप के फायदे हैं उसको जाके एक्सप्लोर करो। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टिल दैट टाइम, बाय बाय।